Welcome to RISE, which stands for Research, Inquiry, Skills, and Experimentation. I know you're very eager to get started with your project, but we need to spend some time learning inquiry skills and how to navigate the course. The first thing I want to do is to explain how the course is organized. Each lesson is called a module, and each module contains activities and discussion forums. You will be expected to complete all of the activities in each module and to participate in all required discussion boards. Activities are due 2 days before the discussion forum comments are due. Each module has a single due date but will contain numerous activities, so it will be beneficial to begin the activities before the due date. Trying to finish all activities at once will be difficult. Be certain to pace yourself. Since this is an online course, reading everything carefully will be very important. Read everything twice. Let's look at this beginning module as it will be a good example of the modules to come. In Activity 1, you will take a readiness survey, which will assess your level of proficiency in both computer and research skills. For each question or skill, you will be asked to rate yourself as proficient, satisfactory, needs improvement, or unsatisfactory. Don't worry if you're not proficient for each skill. The checklist will help me understand what skills and knowledge you do have so I can better help you as you proceed through the course. Activity 2 has 3 parts to it. First, you will review the RISE syllabus. Be certain to read it over carefully as it contains important information about course policies and procedures. For example, you will be expected to complete all assignments and discussion comments by the due dates. If you miss a due date, you will receive a warning. If you miss the second due date, your parents will be contacted. If you fail to post on an assigned date for the 3rd time, you will be dropped from the course. There's other important information contained in the syllabus, so be certain to read it thoroughly. In the second part of Activity 2, you will go through the Student Expectations PowerPoint. In this PowerPoint, student expectations for RISE will be discussed. Specifically, we will examine safety, netiquette, and academic honesty. In the last part of Activity 2, you will take the Student Expectations Survey, acknowledging that you have reviewed the syllabus and that you understand the safety, netiquette, and academic honesty expectations of students in the RISE class. In the third activity, Tell Me About Yourself, you will post the answers to questions to a discussion forum and then make comments on your classmates' postings. This activity will help me get to know you and what you hope to get out of this course, and it will give you an opportunity to learn something about the other participants in the course. Now that you've completed the first explanatory PowerPoint, it's time to begin Module 1. Complete all 3 activities by the due date. Remember, the activities are due 2 days before the comments. Be certain you read everything carefully and more than once. If you have any questions, please contact me at jacknaw@imsa.edu. One last tip. Check the latest news block in the upper right-hand corner of the Moodle classroom frequently for announcements. So let's get started.